the community is suffering. Considering this flood that I have suffered now, no pipe-borne water, no good water, there's no light. So they needed government help and NGO help. The village is suffering. The entire village is flooded. Houses are falling down, and people are crying for food. For some time, people no food, no good water, and no medication. So the village, Ekata in Ahoda East local government area of Rivers State, was suffering. So we needed outside help.